string class. So if you remember, a string is a collection of characters. Okay, so the string class starts out with string. So I'm just going to put string name equals quotes Mr. Melendez. Now there's some pretty cool things that we can do with the string class. So for example, we can get how many characters are in my name by saying int string size, and then we can name this whatever we want. It doesn't have to be this way, but we're going to get that. So we're going to say string size equals name dot. So the reason why we're putting a dot, so we're calling the variable name first. This dot says, hey, there's extra stuff in this string class. So I want to say, in this one, I want to say dot length parentheses, and then I'm going to say system dot out dot print line, and then I'm going to say Mr. Melendez has blank, and then I'm going to say string size plus quote space characters. So now I'm going to run this, and it's going to tell me how many characters are in my name. Has 12 characters because it also counts the space and the period as a character. Okay, but there's some more stuff that we can do with this besides just getting the length. So I'm going to change this up a little bit, and then I'm going to say these recordings are happening on Labor Day 2022. And then instead of name, I'm going to put in message. So we're going to say string size dot length. That's fine. But there's some other stuff that we can do besides just get the length of how many characters are in a string. We can say string upper, string lower. We can say char letter, and then we're going to do the string size. So let's do them in order. So the string size is already there. So if we say upper equals message dot to uppercase, and so what that will do is it will make this whole entire message become all capitals. Same thing with lower. So message dot to lowercase, it's just going to make everything lowercase. And then if I say letter equals message dot char at, here it's expecting a digit. So I'm going to put in the number 2. Now we just need to say system.out.println. I'm going to just say message. And then here, because I'm not retyping everything, so instead of saying message, I'm just going to say upper, lower, string size, and then letter. Okay, so those are the things that we're going to display. So let's see what happens. So these recordings are happening on Labor Day. So that's the original message, all capitals, all lowercase. There's 48 characters, but see, I put in the number 2, but why did it give me an E? So it gave me the third letter. So the reason why is because a computer starts counting at 0. So the first character, so this here, so this, how the computer reads it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is how the computer reads it. So if I wanted to display the T, I would put a 0. And then if I run this, you're going to notice the T comes out now. So this is the string class. Okay. And in the string class, that is about it. In the next video, we're going to learn is how to get user input. So how to ask the user to enter in some information. Instead of us telling it, the user will enter it in.